Hello.
Hello, how you going? I'm Scott White from Glasshouse Home Safety, here to test your smoke alarms.
Great, come on in. Welcome.
Hi, I'm Scott White from Glasshouse Home Safety. I'm here to test this home. No one tests like we do. When it comes to smoke alarms, you'd use smoke, wouldn't you? Call us crazy, it's a smoke alarm. You'd test it with smoke. No one else seems to. You know, we see companies coming in and pressing a button and leaving as fast as they can, but often that doesn't mean that it works. So we use real smoke to test the alarms because we believe that minimum mandatory requirements are often not enough. When it comes to testing the safety switches, we don't just press the button around at the switchboard. We use a tool that plugs into the wall, simulates someone being electrocuted. We measure the time that it takes for the safety switch to trip, because it's important that it trips in time and that people don't die. So we cover all aspects of home safety. Safety switches, smoke alarms, extinguishers, blankets, the whole deal. We'll look at paths of egress. We make sure that people can hear the alarms, not just that they're going to work and they look good on the ceiling, but people can hear them and be woken up and manage to find a way out.